In the next 3-minute video, I'm going to show you guys how to scrap 500 leads from Google Maps using MapsScraper step by step. Okay, as you know, guys, Google Maps is the biggest database for business, guys. Every business in the world is listed on Google Maps. If you have a service you want to sell, you can do that using Google Maps. For example, I have a product I want to sell for media agency in Dubai, media agency and around the world. Okay, Google MapsScraper will help me to scrap leads, like scrap data, all the data from Google Map. For example, business name, okay, address, open times, like for example, website, phone number, and also emails. It's very important emails for me because I want to reach out for all these business. So I want to phone number, like because I want to reach the WhatsApp number. I want to contact them with WhatsApp. So today I'm going to show you how to scrap leads from Google Map using MapsScraper. It's very simple. Watch the whole video, guys. I have little gift for you guys at the end of the video. First, you need to go to this website, MapsScraper.com. At Chrome, I will share the link with you guys, and then download MapsScraper. Okay, it's very simple. Let's download it now. Let's go here. Extension, manage extension. You need to enable the delivery mode. Okay, and you just drag and drop. Very simple. Just uninstall it. That's it. Okay, let's go here and the bin it. Okay, I will log in now with my account. I have an account on Google Map. If you don't have an account, it's very simple. You can just create an account. Like, not take you like 1 minute. Log in with your account. Boom, we have it. Okay, let's go open Google Map. So now let's go to the next step. Just click start scrapping. Okay, after you log in, and you can write your keyword. I have multiple keywords. For example, I have this keyword. That's the 500 leads I want to scrap. Like, he will give me like 120 leads for every search. So for example, I will start with the media agency in Dubai, first one. Okay, and then I click scrap Google Map with the emails and social media. This is what I want, because I want emails and also I want social media links like Facebook, their LinkedIn page, their x.com page, all their information. Like, okay, let's click start scrapping. Now you don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for the result. Just grab a coffee, do whatever you want to do. Just wait for the result. So I'm going to wait for the result. Don't close the page. Don't do nothing. You just have to chill. Don't do nothing. Just simple as that. He'll go through all the businesses and he will scrap the leads and he will give me as Excel file at the end of this like scrapping process. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, after he finishes scrapping, I'll get back to you. Now, after he scrolled through Google, like he finished scrapping, as you can see, but you have to wait. Why? Because he's doing the next process. He's scrapping emails. Like, as you can see, guys, emails. Look, how many emails? High quality emails is better than any tools in the market, as you can see, as you know, guys. If you test this tool and you test other tools, you know the difference. You know the difference. Look, as you can see, YouTube, place ID, review, like all the information claimed, website, total number of reviews, category, location, hours. He's scraping all the data. I just have to wait until I get all the data. Now he finished scraping. You have all the data available now. You can download it. I want to download it as an Excel file first. I want to see my data. Let's go through it. This is my data. It's very important for me, phone numbers, because I want to contact them on WhatsApp. I have other tools that send WhatsApp. I will show you another video, guys. And this is the email. I have all these emails. All these emails. You can see I have all these emails. As you know, guys, MapsScraper is improving over time. Like, it's not the same as last year. It's not the same as last month. The quality of email is getting now is better and better. You know, so and this is how I do it. I have product, I sell it to this media agency, and I also have product, I sell it to AI agents, that I sell it to medical industry, also factories. I have other projects, I sell it. I use this tool to do that, and I make a lot of money from that. Some people, like we have like let's say around 15K people that use this tool, MapsScraper, and there's people that are making a lot of money from it, guys, a lot of money. Because why? Because Google Map is the biggest database in the world, and you can just use this tool to scrap unlimited like leads from Google Map. Other tools that they will not, is they have some limitation. You can only do this, you can do that. No, this tool is unlimited. You can do that all day. I want to go to other city, I want to go to scrap, I want to scrap, like for example now London, I want to scrap East London, like New York, New Delhi, I want to scrap all this, and I will do that with the time, and there's no, Google is not blocking me. Why? Because this tool is like human. They think that you are human, like you just scrolling, like as a human. So at the end of this video, I have a little gift for you guys, because you watched the whole video, you commented. I'll give this tool for free, and the next video I will make sure I will show you how to do that, how to use these leads, and use this tool. It's called, where is it? It's a new tool. It's called bulk message sender. You can scrap leads, and then you can send them one message. All these leads, you can send a message. This using Chrome extension. You use this to Chrome extension, and you can make a lot of money with it. Guys, support me with this below. Give me some recommendation if you have something you want to say, or if you have like ideas, if you have something you want to know, like about these tools, like about MapsScraper, and what information you want to scrap and what you cannot find with this tool. Write that in the comment section, and see you later. Now I'll scrap other leads. I'll close the video. You don't need to see. I already show you how to do that in the first place. Now I'll do the other process. Like I'll start scrapping now, and have a good day.